Hey everybody, Jeremy Redmond here with the latest update. We've got Task Magic, LazyLeadz, mailead update, AirFive update, Allo update. Allo, say allo.com. When you go there, you will be able to log in with your LazyLeadz account and your AirFive account. AirFive, if you check out airfive.com, we've had a lot of requests for that one. That one will be launching next week, I think. Next week. I think the 30th. Okay. And we're gunning to get that we're gunning to get that sold out faster than the last one. I think it initially sold out in like 4 days. So anyway, let's roll really fast to Kenneth's update for LazyLeadz and mailead. Roll the update.
Hey everybody, we've got some exciting updates for you, so let's dive in. First, for LazyLeadz, the tech lead searches now return way more accurate results when filtering by location, no more irrelevant leads. Second, we've launched a new account usage tracker. You'll now see real-time updates for your searches, exports, and cooldowns. Plus, it's more reliable thanks to the back-end syncing improvements that we've made. And lastly, real-time search got 30% faster, so this way we can now give you leads quicker than ever. Next up, we have mailead. So the first upgrade we've made is we've upgraded our email sync engine. It now pulls the stats, replies, and bounce data twice as fast with better deduplication and fewer false negatives. And lastly, we've boosted the performance with the new contact data caching and indexing. So large workspaces load faster and bulk actions are now more efficient. Lots more performance upgrades coming soon. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Happy to answer them for you. Thanks. Bye.
Cool. So thanks, Ken. We can quickly go to the Task Magic update here, but I'm not going to do that really fast. I'm going to cliffhanger you. So we have raised 125 grand from investor from launch. So that's pretty cool. And I was thinking about like how we spend it. And I think I want to bolster the affiliate or the community here. We don't really need it. So I'm thinking, okay, how do we turn that 125 into 250? And it's like the one thing I think is just giving back to people, right? So I'm trying to think about like, is it a competition? Is it just straight up affiliates, right? Is it just making a bonus structure? Because the majority of our revenue comes from affiliates. So do we just bolster that program? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. So figuring out a way to spend that, like we've already hired the engineers that we need to hire. We already have an engineer plus floating engineers on each product. And I don't think we could push updates to our products faster. So we're working as fast as we possibly can. Okay. Roll the Task Magic update. It's pretty big because now, I mean, we had a bunch of requests for this, but you can now use deepseek. So that's pretty cool for the agent side of it. Let me know. I am going to peace out after this, but airfive.com, let me know what you think. Okay. And then two, let me know how you think. I'm just thinking we should we do like bigger deals for buying, right? Like, because we can absorb some of that cost. Like, what would you suggest we do? That's not just hiring people to do something. You know what I mean? Like, what would you do? What would you do if you were us? You know, we'd be nowhere without you guys and gals. So we thank you. Check out this Task Magic update. And make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. We're coming out. I think we have AirFive coming out April 30th. And little treats. No, I'm going to save that. I'll save the little treat for everyone. Okay. Roll that Task Magic update.
Okay, so this is a work in progress for what we are releasing for agents. This should be coming out this coming week. Basically, we added a lot more options. So it's easier to select the connection that you're using. Actually, on top of it being easier, there's now multiple connections. So OpenAI, Anthropic, Azure, Gemini, and DeepSeek are now supported. Back inside your agent, you can now create secrets. So this is a way for you to securely add, username, password, API key, whatever you want to add. That way that this data is never sent to the model that you're using. So what we can do is we can do something like type in here, and then we'll see all of our variables that we could use, and that'll be available inside of our prompt and for our agent to use. Again, the biggest thing here is now doing it this way with secrets means that the actual text username is not going to be sent to the models. Even though there's privacy restrictions and things like that, it's just an added way to protect data. Then aside from secrets, you can also format the data. So if you provide a prompt here, such as what you're looking to extract, the username, URL, and email, you can hit generate schema, and this is so that the agent is always going to return with the exact format described here every time. And this makes it really useful so that you can tell an agent to go do something, then it can send its result to a webhook, and because it's responding in such strict formatting, it's going to allow you to actually do something with that data. Some other options, being able to run it headless versus headed, and then there's also going to be video recording. So you can specify a file path on your computer. The agent is going to run the automation, and afterwards you'll have an MP4 of what the agent did. And this is just really easy and really good for debugging or demonstrating what your agents do.